I'm afraid they're going to eat me.
Here. Here, baby. You have big balls. Big testicles.
I'm afraid.
Andrew's right there. Come here, come here. Big sack.
Oh, wow. Whoa. I'm all set with that one. Oh, it's because you have hay. Holy crap.
Big,
Is
huge
Lyle going to come over and make some steaks?
pile.
I want to see the piggies. I could hear them.
Hi, baby.
Why you don't care?
Oh my gosh. I'm videoing it. Listen to them.
That's true. No pigs look like looking old. She's just the old grandmother pig.
Wow.
Pig is so huge.
These things will become wild boars within days of release.
That is so emaciated, that piggy.
Why is he so skinny?
He's just old. He's probably getting ready to die.
Will they make bacon?
They just got her in. They probably rescued her.
This one?
Yeah,
Really?
these guys are new. Like, they weren't here 2 weeks ago.
Oh, where's the bacon?
We just went out there.
Oh, wow.
Like, he's big enough to jump this.
Yeah.
Yeah,
If you want.
his head was right up to here.
Are you kidding me?
Piggy, 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 piggy!
Can we throw food in there to get him out?
Piggy, 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 piggy!
Is that him looking in? Whoa, look at his ears.
Super flobified. Come here! Come here!
Look at his teats.
Come here!
Look at all the dead birds. They get trapped up there. It's amazing.